What's up, guys? I'm doing the second part where I now display the tweet onto the phone. Earlier I was using my phone, but I'm going to use a simulator for that, which is running here. Like if you see me change something like changed, and then if you take a look at the simulator there, it recompiles. And at the bottom, you can see that, yeah, we're going to now grab those tweets that we had, and we're going to place them here. The first thing I need to do is to import in Axios. That's what I'm going to use. But to use it, you need to install it in the packet or JSON, but I've already done that. I didn't want the computer to slow down when the installation was happening. And then I'm going to store the tweets or the current tweet in the state, and I'll just call it a tweet. It's going to be empty for now. And I'll replace all this text. So I'll replace it with whatever is in the tweet state. But I need to bring it in, and then I'm going to use a component did mount. I'll use the async await stuff. And I don't know why it's saying can't use that. Obviously, it's a function. There we go, const. I'll get a response from Axios, and I believe we are running it on localhost 5000. Yeah, so I'll just grab that. And we'll get it. And I'm going to wait for a response. And since I'm using let's see, a try catch block, we put anything for the errors in there, and for now I'll just log them out. And if we are successful, catch, there we go. If we are successful, well, I'm going to populate the tweets with the data that's coming from the response. And the response is going to have an object with the key that we gave as tweet. Yeah, we named it tweet. All right, so this should work. So nothing. Let me see what's coming in that response. I had a typo there. Okay, so that's coming through. So actually we've done it here, but I'm just going to like kind of style it a little bit just for just to make it look good. I'll give it a title, which I'm going to style. The title is going to be Trump's tweets. I'm going to put it in the middle, and I'll make it bigger. So I'll say the font size. I'll give it a font size of 20, and then I'll just say text align. Put it to the center. While that's going, I'll also style the container. I don't want that to be centered, but I want the font to be 16, and I want to give it a padding of 10, and also do a border. So do a border radius of 10, and also give it a border width of 1, and then also say border count of that. There you go. And I can also put that in a background color of blue. I'll say light blue. Okay, so that's it. So we're actually retrieving a tweet from Trump's feed, going through the server, which is reading those tweets using Python, and reaching the React native app, which we can see here. A retweet from photos. Yeah, helping children across the country track center is becoming one of my favorite for the helping children across the track center becoming one of my favorite traditions. That's all. If you've got any questions, just put them down there. But thanks. This was fun.